Hello guys, and welcome back to Slay with Kay. Thank you all for everyone who reached out, like, hey, we missed your videos. It's been a little bit of a rough road, but we're back, so thank you for that. So today we have a triple unboxing from, of course, Louis Vuitton, one of my favorite fashion powerhouses. I absolutely love Louis Vuitton. One of these pieces I have been wanting for a while and have not been able to get my hands on it, so I was super excited to be able to go into the Louis Vuitton store, and they actually had one in store. So today is my 8-year anniversary. My husband and I have been married for 8 years, so these are my anniversary gifts, so happy anniversary to us. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first bag we're going to pull out here, and I was like, I wanted to do this live with you guys. So here we go. It cracks me up when they just tie these things so beautifully, because all you do is take them right off of there, but you know, we're going to let them live, okay? So the very first thing that we have, let's put that in there. And the lady was so kind to wrap up all these things. I was like, oh, you could kind of throw them all in one bag, but you know, she was so sweet. Is a bandeau. So I went into the store yesterday. I don't think, and I'm not sure, you guys can comment down below if it is, but I don't think this one is available on the website. I've been trying to find it and have not been able to find it. So I finally got my hands on this beautiful bandeau. I absolutely love this bandeau and been trying to get my hands on it. That's not the thing I was telling y'all about earlier, but you'll see when we get into the later unboxings. So the product number for this is M76676. I love bandeaus. I use them for my hair. I use them for my bags. I use them for my duffel bag. I have the Keep All 45. I use it for that. Bandeaus are just a wonderful accessory to your bags. So I love them. I have several of these and absolutely love them. So this is one of my anniversary gifts, is this beautiful bandeau. All right, so the next bag we have here, I am in love. Maybe she put the receipt in the bag, I'm not sure. I'm sorry, in the box. Let's see. Let's take a look and see here, guys. And I want y'all to know this is a straight live unboxing, because I got this stuff yesterday and I wanted to rip the bags and boxes open. I said, let me have some patience and wait. So here is the receipt here. Let me see if she put, oh, actually, no, that's not the receipt. Those are some, I'm gonna give it away if I tell y'all what's in the baggie. So, these are absolutely beautiful, guys. So in here are some extra shoestrings. I think these are absolutely adorable. I tried them on in the store and fell in love with these shoes. I wanted to see if she put, and she did not put the receipt in here, which is very strange, because I wanted to let you guys know the product code number for these, but I will have them in the description box below. You guys, these shoes are absolutely adorable. I will put in some mod shots of me trying them on here. And I think these shoes are absolutely adorable. They are very comfortable. I did walk around the store in them. This is not something that I went into the store looking for. But when I walked back to the shoe section, they were on the shelf. And I was like, wow, those are really cute. I do have the Gucci sneakers, and I love them. So I figure, you know, these would be just as comfortable. I absolutely love this shoe, guys. So if you guys are wanting a new pair of tennis shoes or thinking about these, I would definitely say go for it. I believe these retail for $7.70 if I'm not mistaken, but I'll make sure to put the information below. Let me go ahead and get the other one out so you guys can see them as a pair. I'm also going to, like I said, put the product code number so you guys know what the product code is for the shoes. But here they are, guys. I am in love with these. They have the beautiful Louis Vuitton in gold on the side. They do have the gold rivets here. And of course, it has the Louis Vuitton inside the shoe. Let me know in the comments, for those of you who have this, how did the Louis Vuitton gold hold up? Did it fade really fast? Did it fade at all? How did they hold up? I'm extremely excited to have these in my collection, which is hilarious because I'm normally not a tennis shoe type of girl. I'm normally a heel girl. But since becoming a work at home, of course, my dress has become a little bit more relaxed and casual. So I'm absolutely loving tennis shoes. So again, I will put the product code in the description below, as well as the amount. And for you guys who have these, definitely let me know how they held up for you. But again, I'll have some mod shots of my my foot in them so you can see what they look like. All right, on to the next. And last, the best for last. You guys, I am so excited about this. I am super duper excited. So here is the receipt for this purchase. I'm not sure what the SA did with the other receipts, but that's interesting. So I'm gonna put this here and I'll let you guys know the product code here in just a moment. So I'm going to see if I can just slide this off of here. Yeah, that works actually. Of course, the beautiful Louis Vuitton box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I am so excited about this, you guys. The moment we've all been waiting for is the Pochette Métis. When I tell you guys, oh, I am so excited to have this piece in my collection. When I saw the SA pull this out of the drawer, I about jumped out of my skin. I have wanted a Pochette Métis in my collection for a long time, and I have not been able to snag one at all. I went into this store, this particular store. I live in Ohio, so these items came from the store, the Cincinnati, Ohio location in Kenwood Mall. I walked in there just to see what they had available. And I actually didn't even see this at first. I got the tennis shoes and the bandeau, and we were geared to leave out of the store. Well, I turn around and the SA is pulling this out of the drawer. And I about jumped out of my skin, guys. And so one of the other SAs, we kind of motioned her over and she's like, I think we have another one in the store. She pulled it out. My husband was like, bag it up because she's going crazy over it. You guys who have this or want this know how hard this is to obtain. And so I'm so happy to have this. The product code number for this beautiful piece is M44875. It does retail for $2,570 US dollars. I don't even care about the price. I am so excited to have it. Yes, it did increase in price. I think when I first looked at this bag, maybe the week before last, before the price increases, I believe it was $23.50. You guys can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But to have this in my collection, I'm so excited. So of course, we're going to put this down so you guys can actually see this beautiful bag. So again, this is the Pochette Métis. It does come with the vachetta leather at the top here. The vachetta leather is here and also here. On the back, it does have this beautiful zipper. I was watching some other YouTubers and they did say they normally put their phones and things down here. So it will be a review coming soon for this bag and what fits inside. When you open it, of course, it does have the adjustable strap. That is wonderful. And I actually have one that looks similar that I purchased off of the website. I actually go in between my Neo No Way and the Palm Springs Mini. So I'm happy to have this one as well. Of course, it is an adjustable strap. It has 5 adjustable pieces here so you can adjust the bag to your liking, which I love. For size reference, I am 5'4", so I will do some mod shots here so you guys can see how the bag looks on me. I am just so excited to have this bag. It does surprise me watching some other YouTubers with how much it does fit, but you guys can see inside it does have this microfiber brown interior. And it does look like it holds a lot. I know there were some comments about the way the bag looks. I definitely did inspect the bag before purchasing. This bag looks perfect. I know people were saying there's a lot of dimpling and things like that. I don't see any of that on this bag. There's also Vachetta leather here. But I don't see anything wrong, any glazing issues or anything with this bag. Those of you who have this bag, please comment down below. How does the bag hold up for you? How has it, withstood the test of time? Let me know how you care for this. I'm going to probably put a bando on the strap just to kind of preserve it a little bit. I'm sorry, on the handle. But for you guys who have this bag, let me know how much you love it. Let me know some pros and cons about the bag. But I'm excited to add this to my collection. I'm excited to have it. Every piece of my collection that I have, I'm excited to have. I'm not one to just buy things to buy them. I'm one that really wants these pieces and works hard to get them. So I'm excited to have it. So again, the best for last, the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Pochette Métis. Again, if you guys have this beauty, let me know. And I am so excited to have it. Again, thank you so much for watching Slay with Kay. Add your comments down below and I will definitely get back to you guys. Until then, have an awesome day. Bye, guys.